This video shows how to control a DC motor using L298 stepper motor driver. The right hand side shows the pinout diagram of the motor driver and the left hand side shows the connection diagram. So this motor driver is basically support connecting two DC motor at a time in the output A and output B sections. This can be power this motor driver using 12 volt power supply and ground, and it is having a internal 5 volt regulator, so this will be supply the other logical things, and there will be logic input IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4. IN3, IN4 is for output B and IN1, IN2 for output A. This enable A and enable B terminals, which will be directly for enable A for output A and enable B for output B. Basic circuit diagram for our connection. But in this connection there is an orange wire going from Arduino to the motor driver, which is going to the enable A terminal in the motor driver. But we are not using this because we will be shorting this enable A with the 5 volt by using a jumper. This option is already available in the driver. So in this way we don't have to control this from Arduino. So this enable pin always high and it will be always active. Then we will, if we give IN1, IN2 some signals, the motor will be behave according to these signals. We don't have to write some extra value from the Arduino. As we are using different power sources for motor driver and Arduino, we have to short the ground of motor driver with the Arduino to make a common ground. So this video shows my connection. I'm using jumper wires to connect the 5-6 pins from Arduino to IN1 and IN2 of the motor driver. So when I'm connecting IN1 and IN2 of the motor driver, you can see the enable A is already shorted with the jumper. So this jumper is there, so that means it is already enable high. Now the next stage, we have to connect a common ground. So this ground wire from Arduino is getting shorted to the ground terminal of our motor driver. So it will be connecting in this point. This is our wiring setup. We are using 5 and 6 pins to control the signals IN1 and IN2, and there is a enable A jumper connector, and the motor is there, and it is all powered, and the ground is shorted. There is a common ground. Now we have to upload our program inside our Arduino. Program we can either use analog write or digital write for the IN1 and IN2 terminals. If we give analog values, based on this the speed of the motor will be changed, and if we change the higher value and lower value, swap this higher value and lower value, the motor rotation direction will be changing.